crafty friends, welcome back to the attic. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of the Dragonfly Dreams journal using the kit from Stacy at Crafty Dragon Creations. I will have the links in the description box where you can pick this kit up on her Etsy shop. There's also a coupon code for 30% off from now until August 31st. I'm going to start out by inking the edges of the pages of the journal that I created in part 1. I'm still using the Stress Oxide color Shabby Shutters. In part 1, I told you that I made the pages for the kit by reducing the size of the images using my computer program. Again, you will have to play with this to get it the right size you need for the size 10 that you're using. I have also reduced the ephemera pages, the same size that I reduced the main pages. This keeps the scale of your images all the same size in your journal. This kit is packed with beautiful ephemera to use in your journal. I have cut out all the ephemera and inked all the edges in the Shabby Shutters Distressed Oxide. I'm going through the journal and picking out different pieces of ephemera that I think fit well on certain areas of the journal. I'm placing a corner tuck pocket on the inside front cover. I'm placing another corner tuck pocket on the inside back cover. This will allow me to be able to put things inside these pockets that I might want to keep. As I said in part 1, I've created this journal to keep inside my car so I have a place to jot down notes, mementos, and things I just want to save for the future. I'm going to continue to go through the ephemera, deciding what I would like to go where. I'm going to fast forward the video a little and add some music so you can watch as I place these beautiful images from the ephemera in different parts of the journal that I think will fit my needs. Now I'm going to start decorating the cover of the journal. I've picked out a few of the sentiments that are also included in the kit, and I'm just deciding how I would like those arranged. I'm going to create a cluster on the front of the cover. This draws the eye towards the center of the book and just makes everything a little more eye-appealing. And I'm just going to glue everything down using my art glitter glue. I often like to use sticker scissors to help me place small objects. I'm going to continue to decorate inside using some sentiments and some extra ephemera that are included in the kit to fill up the pockets that I added earlier. I often like to use a book weight to help me hold my journals open while I'm working, and I can use both of my hands when I'm creating. going to use some mini paper clips to hold some of the mini journaling cards into the journal. This will give me extra space to be able to journal on and take notes, and also be able to have the beautiful images from these journal cards. I'm going to add some music here and do a final flip through of the entire journal now that it's complete. I hope y'all have enjoyed part 2 of this mini journal in a tin video. I will be doing one more video that will go along with this series. It will be a Mixed Media Monday video where I will show you how I used alcohol inks to create this tin. So please hit the subscription button and the notification bell and you'll be notified when I put up the next video. And until next time, y'all take care.